Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, is known for his investment philosophy that has been honed over decades of experience. Here are 20 points from him on how to do good investment. Number 1. Invest in what you know and understand. Number 2. Avoid paying high fees for investment management. Number 3. Focus on long-term value rather than short-term gains. Number 4. Invest in companies with a strong competitive advantage or moat. Number 5. Look for companies with strong and stable earnings. Number 6. Invest in companies with honest and competent management. Number 7. Buy stocks when they are undervalued and sell when they are overvalued. Number 8. Don't try to time the market or predict short-term price movements. Number 9. Have patience and discipline in your investment approach. Number 10. Diversify your portfolio across different industries and asset classes. Number 11. Don't follow the crowd or chase hot stocks or trends. Number 12. Avoid debt and leverage in your investment portfolio. Number 13. Look for companies with a history of paying and increasing dividends. Number 14. Invest in businesses that have a strong balance sheet and financial stability. Number 15. Understand the risks involved in your investments and how to manage them. Number 16. Invest with a margin of safety by buying at a discount to intrinsic value. Number 17. Don't get emotional or panic during market downturns or corrections. Number 18. Continuously learn and improve your investment skills and knowledge. Number 19. Keep your investment costs low by avoiding unnecessary trading and taxes. Number 20. Stick to your investment plan and avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions or short-term market fluctuations.